The original goal of my Rube Goldberg machine was to power this light switch on. The light was far away from everything in my room, so I used the fishing rod to bridge between the bookshelf and the light switch. Seeing as the fishing rod fell because there was nothing putting it in place, I used a clip to hold it in place. Even with a higher angle, it did not work out as the tension made the fishing rod snap out of its place and fall. So I went for a lower angle approach from the floor, but that also fell and did not work out. Mr. Blythe recommended that I could use a tennis racket to make some sort of a pendulum to hit the light switch, but that did not work out, seeing as there was no place to base the pendulum off of. So I changed the goal into opening a trash can. What I want to do is, I want to make a sort of seesaw, where this thing, when the tape measure falls down, something falls back up. Because it was too heavy, I'll try shooting only the cup holder. So when I start this tape measure and open it up, the book opens a page. When I add another cylinder to create a chain, the ball flies off and does not go into the other one because of momentum. So I cut it. I used a plate and a fishing rod to keep the ping pong ball in place so that when the fishing rod moves, the ping pong ball goes into the cylinder, starting the whole contraption. This contraption did not work, seeing as the plate was too heavy and fell often, and so I changed the plate into an Uno card. The Rube Goldberg machine is still not perfect. There are many flaws such as unreliability, and there could be more actions to complicate the machine. The unreliability can be improved by modifying some of the actions such as the gliding tape by changing the way the tape gets released. I could add more actions by changing the domino to a more intricate design, such as separating it into two ways and having the two sets of actions run separately, then merge together in order to finish the action. Now I could do all of these changes, but because of the limited time and the amount of effort that I already put onto it, it is quite hard to revamp the whole thing and redo the whole thing. But in conclusion, this unit was quite interesting as I had to work off of things that were only in my room, and that was part of the difficulty as well.